Development Co-op, a former student of Graeme MacQueen, and has lived to all the expectations that Graeme had of him. Welcome.
I was one of those students who took Graeme MacQueen's course on world religions at McMaster University many years ago, and was equally impressed as all the other students were just by what an absolute force he was. Not in any sort of demonstrative or aggressive way, because that wasn't Graeme, but just the force of his intellect, the force of his compassion, and of his commitment. These things were so readily apparent. And I have a short period of time, and I will be quick, but I had a real special opportunity to work with Graeme on a community development project that I don't think a lot of people would get involved with, especially someone of Graeme's stature, how busy he was, being a professor at McMaster, being involved in all the activism work he was in. But he was the only person I could think of when I had an idea with a few friends of creating a community development organization to create a community center in downtown Hamilton at the time, a place that was really needing TLC, needing community engagement, lots of poverty, lots of addiction, lots of homelessness. I mean, we still sadly see these things in our streets right now. But Graeme didn't hesitate, and he just dove right in, and he became an absolute fixture of the organization that we started. And he was tireless, literally tireless, because he would always walk to our meetings from Dundas. And I could never quite understand how he could pull that off. He would just walk for about 3 hours to go downtown Hamilton for each one of our meetings. He never wanted to ride. He just had that kind of energy, and he always was willing to give that energy to the people who needed it the most, with no hesitation, with no consideration for his own time, his own stamina, which seemed endless. And I'll just end by saying, I think I had never met someone in whom the qualities of compassion, courage, and intelligence were so finely balanced as in Graeme MacQueen. He was a friend, he was a mentor, and I think he's changed my life and the lives of many other people in this room. So thank you so much for allowing me to speak.